Welcome to AI red teaming, the critical practice that's becoming the gold standard for AI safety and security. Imagine you're about to deploy a medical AI system that will diagnose millions of patients. How do you know it won't fail catastrophically? How do you find the edge cases that could cause harm? This is where AI red teaming comes in, the systematic practice of attacking your own AI systems to find vulnerabilities before malicious actors do. AI red teaming is the discipline of deliberately attempting to break, manipulate, or exploit AI systems to identify weaknesses, biases, and failure modes. Unlike traditional software testing, AI red teaming requires understanding both the technical vulnerabilities of machine learning models and the creative ways humans might misuse AI systems. It's like hiring ethical hackers for your AI, but the stakes are often much higher than traditional cybersecurity. The origins trace back to military and cybersecurity red team exercises, but AI introduces unique challenges. Traditional software has predictable logic. If A, then B. AI systems have emergent behaviors, distributional shifts, and alignment problems that make them fundamentally harder to test. A chatbot might work perfectly in testing, but generate harmful content when users find creative prompt injection techniques. This unpredictability is why red teaming is essential for AI safety. Let's explore the core objectives of AI red teaming. Safety testing identifies scenarios where AI systems could cause physical, psychological, or societal harm. Security assessment finds vulnerabilities that malicious actors could exploit. Bias detection uncovers unfair treatment of different groups or demographics. Capability evaluation tests whether AI systems behave as intended across diverse conditions. Alignment verification ensures AI systems pursue intended goals without harmful side effects. The red teaming methodology follows a structured approach. Threat modeling starts by identifying potential attack vectors, failure modes, and adversarial scenarios specific to your AI system. Attack surface analysis maps all the ways users, data, or external systems interact with your AI. Adversarial simulation involves actually executing attacks and testing edge cases. Impact assessment evaluates the potential consequences of discovered vulnerabilities. Remediation planning develops fixes and safeguards. Red teaming techniques vary by AI system type. Prompt engineering attacks against large language models involve crafting inputs that bypass safety filters or elicit harmful outputs. Jailbreaking uses psychological manipulation or role play to make AI systems ignore their guidelines. Data poisoning simulations test how corrupted training data might affect model behavior. Adversarial examples test robustness against inputs designed to fool the AI. Social engineering examines how humans might manipulate AI systems through interaction patterns. Let's dive into LLM-specific red teaming. Direct prompt injection tries straightforward harmful requests. Indirect prompt injection embeds malicious instructions in seemingly innocent contexts. Role-playing attacks trick models into adopting harmful personas. Chain of thought manipulation exploits reasoning processes. Multi-turn conversation attacks build up to harmful outputs gradually. Context stuffing overwhelms safety mechanisms with excessive information. Each technique requires different defensive strategies. Computer vision red teaming focuses on visual attacks. Adversarial patches are physical objects designed to fool object detection systems. Lighting and ankle attacks test robustness under different environmental conditions. Camouflage attacks hide objects from detection systems. Synthetic data attacks use deepfakes or generated images to test model responses. Privacy attacks attempt to extract training data information from model outputs. Autonomous vehicle systems require especially rigorous visual red teaming. Automated red teaming is revolutionizing the field. LLM-based red teaming uses AI to generate diverse attack scenarios automatically. Reinforcement learning approaches train adversarial agents to find model weaknesses. Genetic algorithms evolve increasingly sophisticated attacks. Fuzzing techniques automatically generate edge case inputs. Metamorphic testing checks if semantically equivalent inputs produce consistent outputs. Automation allows testing at scale, but human creativity remains essential. The human element in red teaming is irreplaceable. Diverse red team composition brings different perspectives, backgrounds, and attack mindsets. Domain expertise is crucial. Medical AI needs medical professionals on the red team. Adversarial thinking requires creativity, empathy for malicious users, and understanding of societal impacts. Ethical guidelines ensure red teaming doesn't cause actual harm while testing for potential harm. Psychological safety allows team members to think like attackers without judgment. Industry applications show red teaming's critical importance. ChatGPT and GPT-4 underwent extensive red teaming before release, including testing by diverse external groups. Autonomous vehicle companies red team against adversarial load conditions and malicious actors. Financial AI systems test against fraud scenarios and market manipulation. Healthcare AI undergoes red teaming for diagnostic accuracy across different populations. Content moderation systems face constant red teaming against evolving harmful content. Measuring red teaming effectiveness requires robust metrics. Coverage metrics track how many potential failure modes were tested. Discovery rate measures how many vulnerabilities were found per testing hour. Severity scoring prioritizes discovered issues by potential impact. False positive rates ensure testing doesn't flag normal behaviors as problems. Remediation success tracks how well fixes address discovered issues. Continuous monitoring ensures vulnerabilities don't reappear after deployment. Organizational integration makes red teaming most effective. Embed red teaming throughout the AI development lifecycle, not just before deployment. Cross-functional collaboration includes engineers, ethicists, domain experts, and potential end users. Regular cadence ensures ongoing testing as systems evolve. Documentation and knowledge sharing help teams learn from discovered vulnerabilities. Executive support provides resources and organizational priority for thorough testing. The future of AI red teaming is evolving rapidly. Constitutional AI integrates red teaming feedback into training processes. Participatory red teaming involves broader communities in testing AI systems. Real-time red teaming monitors deployed systems continuously. Standardized frameworks are emerging for systematic AI safety testing. Remember, red teaming isn't about breaking things for fun. It's about building AI systems that are robust, safe, and beneficial for everyone. In our next session, we'll conduct hands-on red teaming exercises to experience these techniques firsthand.